Yes, Kutis. Adan. Adan. Wow. Clap, Adan. Adan, clap. Clap. Turn around. And then say, here I am. Sorry. Farheen.
Turn around.
Ah. Very good. Very cute. Jason.
Get down. Get down. Clap.
Ah, yes.
Clap.
Clap, Jason.
Mm.
Ah. Turn around.
Turn around.
Ah.
Sit.
Say. Oh, so sweet. Here I am. Keshav. Keshav not come. Litiksha also not joined. Madhuvanti. Madhu.
Here I am.
Very cute, Madhu. Super. Shivanya.
Clap na. Panalo.
Ah, yes.
Sit.
Enough, enough, enough.
Here I am.
Enough, Shivanya. You will fall down. Very good. Hi, Mira.
That's how you want it because Monday you split it in 8 pieces.
Very sweet, Saimira. Good. Varsha is also absent today. Yes? Shall we say our prayer? All stand up. All stand up. Join your hands. Close your eyes. See, when ma'am said prayer means you immediately you must stand up, close your eyes, join your hands and stand straight. Okay? Okay? Yes. Because past 4 months I'm keep on teaching the same, right? June, July, August, September, almost October. In the middle of the October, we are here now, right? Okay, fine. Madhu, stand straight. Close your eyes. Kids, the anthem. You children say along with me, okay? You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath the flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, get ready for Arabic. Get ready. Come on, come on, come on. All stand up. Give one jump. Give one jump, children. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Run, run, run. Jump, jump, jump. Stop, stop, stop. Yes, 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 yes. Good morning once again, all of you. Children, shall we enter to the session? Are you ready? Yes? Yeah, very good. So, fine. How many of you made strawberry? I know only Shivanya and Sai Mira. Those who have done a very good job, children. Children, all clap for Shivanya and Sai Mira. All clap, pat on your back, children. Yes, 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 yes. Clap them. Because they have done a very good job. Sai Mira and Shivanya, show me your strawberry. Show the strawberry to others. Yeah, very good. See, children, look at there. Jason, Farheen, look at there. Madhunti, look at that strawberry, how lovely it is. Very nice. Adan? Adan, did you notice? Lovely strawberry, children. Very good, very good. Superb, superb, very like the same. Enough, enough. Okay, keep it yourself. Welcome, welcome, dear. See, children, the same way you can make many colorful fruits or flowers, something like that. Okay, children? Eh? Develop your creativity. Yes? What are the fruits you can make with the clay? Can you say? Easy to make. What are the fruits you can easily make with the clay?
Orange, rainbow.
Tell her.
What? Say, Jason.
Rainbow,
What is
rainbow.
a rainbow?
Mango. Yes, you can make mango. Mango like this, right? Mango. Then
வேற என்ன ஃப்ரூட் பண்ணலாம்?
Banana.
banana. Yes, very good. Banana. Instead of Sai Mira, Rahul answering. Yes, Sai Mira. Your Anna had with your mouth, right?
Right.
Anna, grab your mouth. Sai Mira's mouth. Yes, Sai Mira.
Not
Okay, fine, fine. Like that you can make. So tomorrow you made so many things with the clay and show me. Okay, children? Okay, fine, fine. So now we are going to the numbers session. Okay, Wanda. First we can go through what is that, phonics. Okay, are you ready to hear the phonics song? Yes, yeah. Let's watch phonics song, children.
two fruits. Orange, banana. Banana. Again, banana.
And so my arms are causing me alone. Okay, A also. Next B. Bring your badge and bring your bow. Bring your badge and bring your bow to the party play. Okay, next C. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Like that. Okay. Next letter D. See me play on my drums, playing drums and lots of fun. Da, 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 da. See me play up on my drum. Da, da. Next, E. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this. Eh. Okay. Next, yeah. What letter is that? Yeah. Yeah. I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and I came out. Woof. Yes, very good, very good. Jason and Adam, enjoy it. Yeah. G. Round the tree, water gurgles round the ring. The water gurgles round the ring. Ga 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 ga. G. Ga ga. Yes. Next. H. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Next, I, letter I solve. Okay? Letter I solve. I, what is the sound of I? E, E. Yes, next, J. Yes, fine children. Fine, fine. K. How to fly kite? Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Tap, 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 tap. Yes. So you got it now? Kites are flying in the sky. 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 K. Okay, children. Now we are going to see the letter K. Okay. What are the things I taught you for K? What letter is this, children? Children, what is it?
J, sir.
J.
Yes? Say louder. What letter is this, children? J. Yeah, J. Yes. What is it? What is this?
K, sir.
K. One standing line, two slanting lines. Make my K. Yes? What is that song? Sing. One standing line, two slanting lines. Help me write my letter K. It comes in key and kick and king, and even in karate. Yes? K. What is the song? Letter K. What is this? J. I see letter J in jump, and I see letter J in jump, and in jam and jelly, jar and jug and jellyfish. J looks jiggly wiggly. Yes, this is J song, and this is K song. Okay. What is this, children? K for? Children, what is it? K for? Shivanya, say what is this? K for?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Say kangaroo. Kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Okay. Jason, what is it, Jason?
Wolf. Hey, அது என்ன?
Jason?
சொல்லு சார்.
Jason, what's it? Cola. K for cola. Cola. And what is this, Saimira? Saimina, what bird is this?
Fisher.
Kingfisher. Very good. Say the sound of kingfisher. Kingfisher. Say kingfisher. Yes, okay. K for kingfisher. Farheen, what is this? Farheen? Key. K for key. Key. Okay. Madhuvanti? Madhu, what is this, Madhu?
Kettle.
Kettle. K for kettle. Kettle. Adam? Adam, who's he? King. K for king. King. Okay. And this is, say children, who know this?
Karate.
Karate. Yes, karate. These are there are so many words which are short from K. Just ma'am has shown you something. Okay. This is K karate. Yeah. So what's the sound of K, children? K. Can you take your workbook? Children, take your workbook. See what letter is this? K. K. Okay. Now we are going to yes, page number 68 LT. Page number 68 LT. Okay. Before starting K, we have to do this worksheet. Okay. Fine. Yes, can you see this? Page number 68. Trace and draw the patterns. What is it? Trace and draw the patterns. Okay?
Ma'am, this was
All are
completed.
taken?
Ma'am, this was completed by Yasmin, ma'am.
Trace and draw the patterns. Page number D68 LT.
Ma'am, this one was completed by
Completed,
Yasmin
ma'am.
ma'am that day, ma'am.
What, ma?
Yasmin,
The
ma'am,
trace.
completed.
Already
Yasmin
we have,
done this?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have done done this. Okay, fine. Okay, then leave it. Okay, fine. So next I'm going to teach you some new fruits. Okay, children. New fruits. Children, do you know what fruit is this? What is the name of this fruit? Yes, say louder, children.
Kiwi. Kiwi.
Kiwi. Very good. What fruit is this? Kiwi. Yeah, very good. Excellent.
Kiwi.
You heard kiwi? Okay. See the fruit. It's a round like a ball in shape. Inside it will be light green pulp. Outside it has little brown color skin. Yes, right, children? This is very healthy fruit and very tasty fruit. Okay. What is the name of this fruit? Kiwi. All put your mic mute. Yeah. The second one is, what is it? What fruit is this?
Granite.
Pomegranate. It has outer thick skin of red color and inside red pearls like a fruit. Okay, the inside fruit only we used to eat. It looks like a what is that, like sapphire or pearls like seeds inside. Okay, this is Pomegranate. Pomegranate. And what is this one? Yes, can you say? Very good. Custard apple. Yes. Custard apple has a rough outer coat and white color pulp with black seeds inside. Okay, a very sweet taste. Custard apple. What is this? Custard apple. And the next one is this. You are all very familiar, right? Apple. Apple. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. A-P-P-L-E, apple. So this is red color fruit. Yes, we can eat this fruit with the skin. Yeah, this is apple. And what is it? Lovely, king of the fruit. What is this?
Mango.
Mango. Yes, mango is a pulpy fruit and very tasty fruit. Yes, mango, it is yellow in color and light orange also available. Light orange color, light red color, dark red color also available, right? This is mango. And the next one is, what is this? What is it, children? Banana. Banana is a very rich fruit, you know. Easy to buy, very cheap and best fruit. It contains 5 essential vitamins, okay, in it. So daily have 1 or 2 banana, children. It's good for health. It is in green color also available and yellow color. Okay, this is banana. And what is this? Already a ma'am has taught this. Okay. What is this? Chiku, yeah, chiku. Fruit salad. Yes, chiku. Chiku is a brown color fruit and it has a nut inside. Okay, seed, not a nut, seed inside. Okay. And what is this? Grapes. What are the colors available in grapes? Can you say, children? Grapes are available. What are the colors? Say the colors. Green. Only green color grapes have you seen?
Sound up.
Green and purple. Very good. And light red color also, like brown color grapes are also available. Yes, this is green color grapes. Green grapes. And what is this? What fruit is this? Say, what fruit is this? Orange. Yes, orange. Orange color and orange fruit. Can you sing the orange song, children? Orange is the color of so many things we see. Yes? Would you like to sing a little orange song with me? Sing, children. Orange carrots, orange cheese. Yeah. You remember that song? Orange juice and orange cheese, orange carrots, if you please, orange pumpkins, orange leaves. Let's sing a song of orange. Sing, children. Orange. What is this? Orange. Yeah. So, now, have you done this activity?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Yes, this also completed. Okay. Fine. These are the fruits. Children, see what is the first fruit? Can you identify this first fruit? What fruit is this?
Kiwi.
Yeah. Say the name.
Kiwi.
Kiwi, yes. So the same you are going to circle, right? So where is the kiwi fruit in these three? In these three? Is this kiwi fruit?
No.
Is this kiwi? No. Is this kiwi? No. Is this kiwi? Yes. So you have to circle this kiwi. You have already done this, right? Yeah. Next one is, what is this? What fruit is this, children? Second one? Say louder.
Custard apple.
Very cute. Custard apple. Is this a custard apple?
No.
Is this custard apple?
No.
No. Is this custard apple?
Yeah.
Yes. So have to circle this. And the third one is, what is this?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Where is pomegranate in these three? Is this pomegranate?
No.
No. Is this pomegranate?
No.
No. Is this pomegranate?
Yes.
Yes. So you must circle like this. Very good, children. Very good. Very good. Superb. So you were already done that, right? So now this is the rhyme session. What is it? A rhyme session. Ma'am is going to teach you a new rhyme. Okay? Sing along with me. Can you stand up, children? All stand up. Stand up, all. Yes, Farheen, very good. Who others are sitting? Stand up. Shall we sing a song? Shivanya, are you sleepy? Yes, yes, yes. Do the action with it. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. All touch your toes. All touch and show me your toes. Where is your toes? Touch and show. Yes, very good, Saimira. Very good, Fargin. Good, 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 good. Jason, where is your toes? Shivanya, good. Jason, where's your toes, Kana? Yes, very good. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose. All touch your ears. 2 little ears and 1 little nose. Sing. 10 little fingers. Sing along with me. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 1 little head goes side to side. 1 little head goes side to side. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Sing along with me, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 1 little head goes side to side. Yes, sing. Once again. Once again. Yes. Ma'am will sing. You touch and show your body parts. Okay, children? Come on. 10 little fingers. Show your 10 little fingers. Yes, Jason. Very good. 10 little fingers. 10 little toes. Touch your toes. Fargin, very nice. Very nice. 1, 2 little ears and where's your 2 little ears? Yes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose. Yes, 2 little eyes, it's bright, shine so bright. 2 little eyes that shine so bright. 1 little head goes side to side. Very nice, very nice. Shall we sing? Clap your hands. Are you ready? Ready? Come on. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Shivanya, stand up, stand up. Come on, give a jump. Still you're sleepy. Jump, jump, jump. Come on. Clap your hands.
Yes, ma'am.
She's sleepy, right? Clap your hands.
Yes, Shreyas woke her at 5:48.
Oh, that's the problem. Sitting and sleeping. Yeah. Yes, very good. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Come on, jump up high. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Turn around. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Snap your fingers, snap your fingers. Listen to the music and snap your fingers. Blink your eyes, blink your eyes. Listen to the music and blink your eyes. Yes. All go around the room. Run around the room. Come on. Go, 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 go. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, children. Very good. Jason, run, run, run. Run around. Shaimira, where are you? Adan? Yes, go around the room. Hop and run. Hop and run. Come on. Very good, very good, very good, children. Good job. See, now ma'am is going to teach you another one song. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light. Can you sing along with me? Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the signal bright. Sing. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the signal bright. When it's green, it's time to go. When it's red, it's stop, you know. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the signal bright. Yes, children? Very nice song, you know. Jason, Jason, are you enjoying the song? Yeah, sing.
Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the signal bright. When it's green, it's time to go. When it's red, it's stop, you know. Show me stop. All say stop. Yes. When it's red, it's stop, you know. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light, shining on the signal bright. Very good, children. Very good, very good, very good. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So, children, did you enjoy the songs, right? Two new songs ma'am has taught you. One is 10 Little Fingers. Another one is Traffic Lights. Okay? Do you know traffic light, children? Yes? Have you seen ever traffic light? Yeah? Yes. We can see in the road, main road, in the junction, you can see the traffic light. Tomorrow I'll show you the traffic light picture. Okay? Fine. Now, ma'am once again going to revise the shapes. Okay? Already we learnt about the shapes, no children? Can you remember what are the shapes? What are the basic 4 shapes? What is this, children?
Chalo.
Circle.
Very good, circle. What color circle is this?
What color is this?
Blue.
Blue, yes. Blue, blue, big blue. Yeah, this is circle. What is this? Circle. Is there any sides for circle? Circle has sides, children?
No.
No. Circle has no side. No side. Very good. And what shape is this?
Square.
Yes, square. How many sides are there in square, children? Can you see? See 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides are there in square?
4 sides.
4 sides. Can you see all the 4 sides are equal? See the same. All the 4 sides are same in size. That is make a square. Okay? Yeah. What shape is this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Rectangle has how many sides? Rectangle also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many sides the rectangle has? Rectangle has 4 sides, but it's not like all the 4 sides are same as square. It has only opposite sides are equal in rectangle. See, this side is very small, but this side is very long. Yes, small and large. So both the opposite sides are equal. See, this side and this side are same in size. Am I right? And this side and this side are same in size. So in rectangle it has 4 sides. Only the opposite sides are equal. Okay, children? Got it? Yeah. And what is this? What shape is this? Can you say?
சொல்லு.
Triangle.
Yeah, excellent. This is triangle. How many sides the triangle has? Triangle has 1, 2, 3. Yes, triangle has only 3 sides. Okay, this is triangle. Okay, children, fine. Yes, can you say the what is that? Yeah, you have done this worksheet also, right, parents?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, okay, fine. Then okay, fine. So today you don't have any homework, right? Already you have done all this. Yeah. Very nice, children. Very nice. Very nice. So sweet. Good children. So shall we close the session, children? These are the things which I want to teach you today. Okay. So what are the things you learned today? Can you say? Yes. What is the sound of letter K? I taught you the phonic sound of letter K. Yes. Yes, Shivanya?
Cook.
K.
What is the sound of J?
K sound என்ன?
J.
Yes, very nice. What is the sound of J?
J sound.
J sound என்ன?
J.
J, J.
J என்ன?
J makes the sound of
J இல்ல J J.
J and J, J.
J for J இல்ல?
Jug, jacket, jackfruit. Yes, ja. Shivanya, unmute your mic and say.
First I'm singing song for J ma'am.
And J song you sing?
Sing. Really?
Digging on the bed.
Ah,
What I do one escape. Yes. Chip out.
very nice. Super, Jillian, very nice. Yeah, very good, excellent, Shivanya. Super. Okay, ja. And what's the sound of letter D?
D
Parveen,
என்னது?
say. What's the sound of letter D?
Parin.
Very nice. And Jason, what is the sound of letter E?
E sound சொல்லு.
E.
சொல்லு.
Yes. Eagle. Eagle. Eggs.
Egg சொல்லுவேல.
Okay. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Yes. And Saimira, what is the sound of F? F is? Yeah. Very good. What is the sound of B, children? Farheen, say what's the sound of B? Very good. Ba. Shivanya, what's the sound of C?
Yes, சொல்லு.
Sound of C,
C sound
what is that? K. Yes, K. Jason, what's the sound of G? Jason, what's the sound of G?
Girl சொல்லு.
The water gurgles round the drains. The water gurgles round the drains. Yes. With ga. What's the sound of G?
சொல்லு.
G. Okay. Very good, children. So these are the phonic sound of alphabets. A is a. Yes, a. I. What is I sound? What is the sound of I? E. Yes. And what is the sound of H?
H சொன்னேன்.
H is
சொல்லு. H என்னது?
ha. Yes. Ha. Yes. Okay. H says ha. Okay, children. Already I have taught you. I taught you 1 to 25 numbers on oral, and 1 to 8 we have completed, and then some fruits name, new fruits you learned, right? Yeah, and alphabet A to K. Yes, very nice, very nice. So Mama is going to close the session. I'll meet you on Monday. Thank you, children. Children, make so many fruits and flowers with clay. Okay? Monday all must show. Okay, children? Right, fine. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Chidumangala.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Welcome. Welcome, dear. Welcome.
Come home for Golu chal.
Come for
Shivanya.
Mommy.
Shivanya.
Come for Golu.
Shivanya, Chintu wants you.
Hey.
Chintu has come.
Hi Chintu.
Hello, Akka Para. Hello, Akka Para. Hello. See this up. Hi, Aden. Hello, Para. Okay. Happy Shivanya.
Chintu.
Hi, Chintu. How are you, Chintu?
See, Akka choikinde. Hi, Chintu. How are you, Chintu? Fine, Para. Just now only he started to speak one word, Shivanya. Fine, Para. Fine.
So cute. La.
Wow, he's so cute.
Love you, Chintu. Set go. Shivanya,
Invite ma'am. Come home
Come for
Golu.
Golu.
What, dear? I'm not.
He's
I couldn't
inviting
get you.
for Golu, ma'am.
Oh, I'll come. Okay. It started, right, Navratri?